going to give you the definition of a full bird kernel right now.
Yeah, no. I told him that I bought my fucking quail license. You know?
And migratories.
Migratory bird kernel.
I'm going to go to the urban...
Don't talk to me. Talk to them. Give them. Inspire them.
You were asking, no?
No. I
Yes, he
wasn't
was.
asking
That fucker was.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah,
And I'm not
what
a
was the
fucker.
bird kernel?
Full bird kernel.
Full metal jacket.
Este below.
There you go. There you go.
I didn't ask. I didn't
Este
ask.
below.
Chinga, se está acabando la...
Look,
Give me
Mr.
yours,
Banu.
urban
I
kernel.
didn't ask. I didn't ask, Mr. Banu. See? So, because of me, it became
Important.
again important. You know? There you go. Why? Because you know why? I'll tell you what. I am somebody to talk about.
Whatever, dog.
Well, then fuck me then. Well, you know, well, then forget about it, goddammit. Huh? I'm gonna stop being so goddamn
Yeah,
cool.
this time I
Huh?
won't get
Imagine
sucked,
if I was an asshole. Huh? ¿Te imaginas si yo fuera culero?
This night I want sloppy
No
toes.
jala ese jale. ¿Entiendes? ¿Qué?
Are you a full bird kernel or not?
No, I don't know. Fucking poppycock.
A full bird kernel
Yeah,
is
peacock.
a person who is a master in the art of cunnilingus.
Uh-oh.
Well,
And-
I've heard of cunnilingus, and cunnilingus, it is spelled. How do you spell it, sir? I want to hear you spell it.
CUNNILANGAUS.
That was pretty damn good. So,
He's good with his tongue.
Pretty good
and
too.
only
Well,
because you said so. But you know what? I want to repeat.
spelling?
Yes,
UNNILING.
cunnilingus.
It's your password.
So, in other words,
I'm
aside
not,
from
I don't
being
never see you,
cunning-
man. Give me the number.
Cunningly.
Flip it up.
Fuck with me, boy. I told you again. So it's a bird that is behind the scenes but makes its expression. Expressionly behind the scene.
Okay. 2, 3.
Go on now, counselor.
2, 3, 6. The one saying it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I saw I'm not supposed to pick on you. I'm picking on you. I'm sorry.